Kinley of today's Creative Food Kids Edition. Today we're going to show you how to make a Easter bunny. It's super adorable, but if you look closely, the ears are actually carrots.
That's pretty funny. I think it turned out really cute.
Yeah.
You ready to get started? Show them how to make this?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. Hey, if you need the recipe for our cookie dough or for the royal icing that I use, which makes a really beautiful glossy shine, go to my blog at todayscreativefood.com. You ready to get started?
Yeah, these are gonna be super cute.
Super cute, especially for Easter. Like put them in an Easter basket.
I love Easter. Easter's in April. And
this year it's in April. Sometimes it's in March.
Oh.
It's so weird. They might watch this a few years from now and it'll be in March.
Yeah.
It's really late this year, like April 21st. Like the latest I've ever seen it. All right, let's get started.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take my white frosting and outline. This is gonna be a little hard. Now I'm gonna use my orange and make a carrot. I'm gonna press as I go. This will make a carrot. Now, like that. And then you have a carrot on your ear. Now I'm going to get this part candy, and you can use whatever kind of candy you want for your nose. And I'm just gonna put it, right. I'm going to use and plop them right on the side of my heart. And I'm gonna do a big circle so they're